mountain. Let's see what God will do. 3 persons within 1 week. Is it not enough for the church? Say thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the sister called me and is a man of God. I have just received my women's as Habakkuk. There is another person that the mother still called me. She's not here now. Okay, you are here also. You are also receiving God. The picture is still in my phone. My junior brother called me. People, I give you their daughter receive. Well, I called you for 5 of my friends. 4 receive. Me, your own brother, I am not receiving. Even to walk home, I said be patient. And on Thursday, your mom called me on Monday. On Monday, you called me on Wednesday. Another one called me on Thursday. 12 of Jesus. Listen and listen well. There is God in this place. There is nothing out of it. If God can do their own, your brother is the end of the city of things. Are you in Europe? Are you in London, Canada, Australia? The God of your broker breaks your limitations. The only thing I ask you to do is to just send me. I want to bless the little children. And so when I bless the little children, what did I ask you about? I said, and I make it bigger. How much I ask him? 10,000. Can 10,000 solve? Do you know how many codes some people they keep for letting doctor? I said, just send me 10,000, your document will be released. But they are not sent. I collect a picture from you. I begin to go to mountain with a picture. And your own, she said, what did I ask her to do?
Tell the church, what did they do?
The same thing,
Cook for the
church. I said, the only thing you will do, just send money to cook for the church. Church asked, how much do they send? 60,000 for 2 of them to cook for the church. After cooking for the church, I said, go, the document account. I did not say million. I said, what I want, just send something to cook for the children.